Welcome to the installation overview for the Invigoration steam generator. Whether you're a homeowner, contractor, plumber, or electrician, this video will help you plan and install KOHLER steam systems safely and efficiently. This video is intended to be a high-level overview for planning your steam shower project. This video does not replace the need to follow the installation guide documents for the detailed instructions. Caution: follow all local plumbing, building, and electrical codes. All electrical work should be performed by a licensed electrician, and all plumbing work by a licensed plumber. Power must be disconnected before starting the installation. Do not alter or modify any KOHLER product. Refer to the installation manual for important safety instructions, installation instructions, and required tools and components that are not included with the steam generator. Tools required: safety glasses, measuring tape, pencil, screwdriver, pipe wrench, thread sealant tape, adjustable wrench, sheet metal snip, drill, electrical tape. Let's create your steam space. To determine what size steam generator you need, calculate the maximum room volume by calculating the space's cubic feet. To calculate, multiply the length by width by height of your space and use the chart to find the generator power rating. Note that ceiling height can impact the size of the generator as explained later in this video. The size of the steam generator needed will depend on the overall volume of the space. The recommended ceiling height for steam spaces is 8 feet, with a maximum of 10 feet. Important: for each foot above 8 feet, upgrade to the next size generator regardless of your volume calculation. Please ensure that the steam space is completely enclosed with a gasket door and has non-slip flooring. Work with your installer to ensure that the steam room walls are constructed using properly rated materials. Consider ventilation within the space to accommodate steam evacuation and a gentle ceiling slope, allowing condensation to release easily. Choose the right location for your steam generator. Steam generators should be installed within a well-ventilated area and should not be placed within the steam room. Common generator installation locations: behind the steam room wall, inside closet, basement, It is recommended to install your steam generator near your steam space, in an easy-to-access location for routine maintenance. The maximum distance allowed between the steam generator and the steam head is 25 feet. Choose a ventilated and insulated space for your generator to prevent both overheating and freezing. Standard locations include adjacent closets or basements. Do not install the generator inside the steam space, outside the home, or an attic if it is not insulated and ventilated. Refer to the installation guide for clearance specifications for adequate heat dissipation and routine maintenance procedures. Before you install the steam generator, familiarize yourself with the electrical and plumbing connections. The plumbing connections are indicated on the screen. Refer to the installation guide for details on the plumbing connections. The electrical connections are indicated on the screen. Refer to the installation guide for details on the electrical connections. The dimensions shown on the screen are for 5 to 11 kilowatt steam generators. Connect the steam generator to an existing water line and run a 1/2 inch diameter supply line to a shutoff valve. The water line should be flushed before making the final connection to the steam generator. Install 1/2 inch copper tubing as close to the generator as possible, using one of the provided union fittings to allow for easy future servicing. A water hammer arrestor and water filter is recommended to reduce noise and to improve the performance of the generator. For applications with pressure greater than 70 psi, a pressure-reducing valve may be required, not shown in this video. It is recommended to use a KOHLER drain pan with your steam generator. Install the drain lines from the tank drain, drain pan, and the pressure relief valve in accordance with your local codes. It is recommended to place the steam head 6 inches from the floor. Do not place the steam head near a seat, as there is a risk of scalding if the user blocks the steam head outlet. Use 1/2 inch copper or brass tubing for the steam line. Do not use PEX, PVC, or other plastic tubing. Pitch the steam line downward toward the steam generator to allow condensation to drain back into the generator and secure the steam line to prevent movement. Minimize the number of elbows in the steam line and avoid any obstructions, such as shutoff valves. Do not create low points in the steam line where a steam condensation trap could occur. If you are insulating the steam piping, use insulation rated for 212 degrees Fahrenheit or higher. If you're installing 2 steam generators, please refer to the detailed installation manual for specific instructions. Do not plumb multiple generators to one steam head. Each steam generator requires its own dedicated steam head. Dual steam heads can be placed on opposite walls to improve steam distribution. As a reminder, all electrical work should be performed by a licensed electrician. Disconnect electrical power at the main circuit breaker panel before proceeding. Remove screws to access the interior of the field wiring service box. Connect the 240 VAC electrical line to L1, L2, and the ground wire. Follow all local electrical codes for electrical connections, considering connection types, torques, and electrical tapes. Close the field wiring service box. Turn on the main power. The digital display should read LD or HD. A conduit may be used to help direct the cable from the steam generator to the controller. This step is optional. Turn on the main water supply and check for leaks. Install the warning label. For further assistance or questions, contact KOHLER customer service at 1-800-456-4537.